Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to all my fellow friends. We are from class RCDC S143E and F. Today we'll presenting about application of geometry for our group assignment. Before that, let me introduce you to our group members. I will introduce myself first. My name is Wan Nabil Hakim Muhammad Sharizal, followed by Muhammad Lumay Hakim bin Abdul Karim, Irman bin Izzat, and lastly, Muhammad Faiz bin Ilyas. Okay, without further ado, let me face you with a bit of fact about application of geometry in our daily life. So a bit of introduction about geometry. So geometry is one of the most important branches of mathematics as it is implemented in our day-to-day life. Geometry is said to be derived from the Greek word geometron, which means geo and measurement respectively. It is study of 2D and 3D shape, which is applicable not only in the classroom but also in art, science, and everyday life. Geometry affects us in the basic details of our daily life, such as getting a scan code, creating an image or an animated video, building our house, decorating the house, and etc. The list is never ending as geometry helps in uplifting one's lives.
Okay, hi, so I would like to tell you about our first case is your Savage perfume. So the first one is about shape. The shape is combination of two cylindrical shape. The small cylinder for the cap and the big cylinder for the body part. Then about the bottle size is 100ml of eau de perfume Dior Savage fragrance. Okay, then about the background. I would like to tell you about the history of perfume. The word perfume comes from Latin phrase per meaning through and fumus meaning smoke. The French later gave the name perfume to the smell produced by burning incense. The first perfume was made by the Mesopotamians about 4,000 years ago. So, about the background of Dior company, Dior is French multinational luxury fashion house that produces fashion clothes and accessories. The company formed in 1946 by Christian Dior. Background of Dior Savage. Savage was introduced in 1966 and it was Dior's first perfume for men. The name of the fragrance is reputedly the result of a late arrival by Percy Savage to Dior Hope. The HQ version of Savage fragrance, which is Eau de Toilette, that costs 510 ringgit Malaysia for 100ml, while Eau de Perfume costs 590 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, next is problem statement. Given that 100ml Dior Savage fragrance with a body part of 8.5 cm height and the radius of its base is 2.5 cm, while the cap part of the bottle has diameter of 3 cm and height of 3 cm. Find the surface area of the fragrance bottle. Then the second, the volume of the body part, and the third one is depth of the liquid after 40 spray. Okay, first, surface area of the fragrance. First, we need to find the body part. So the body part is, we got 166.897 cm cubic. Then we need to find the bottle cap. Then the bottle cap we got 45 over 4 pi. And then we need to total the surface area. So we got 201.0619 cm cubic. Then the second one is we need to find the volume of the body part. So the volume of the body part we got 425 over 8 pi or 166.897 cm cubic. Okay, then the third question is we need to find the depth of liquid after 40 sprays. So first we need to find the volume of liquid used. So we got 33.3794 cm cubic. Then we need to find the volume remaining liquid. So I got 133.5176 cm cubic. After that, we need to find the depth liquid. So we got 8.8 cm. So that is the answer for that question. Alright, thank you.
In the spring of 1974, a young Hungarian architect named Erno Rubik became obsessed with finding a way to model three-dimensional movement to his students. After spending months tinkering with blocks of cube made from wood and paper, held by rubber bands, glue, and paper clips, he finally created something he called the Grover's Coca, or Magic Cube. The invention, eventually renamed the Rubik's Cube, would become the most popular puzzle toy in the world. with more than 350 million sold as of 2018. The cube also inspired numerous artwork and films and sprung a competitive sport called speed cubing that fills arena with teenagers racing to complete the puzzle in the shortest amount of time. Benefit of solving Rubik's Cube: improve your memory and keep your mind active. This is because when you learn to play a Rubik's Cube, you need to remember all the steps to solve the puzzle. It also improves patience and enhance concentration and configuration. Problem statement: Jeremy just got a 3x3 Rubik's Cube for his birthday last week, given that the cube has same height, width and length, which is 5.7 cm. For the first question, find the surface area of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The formula of surface area for this prism is surface area equals to 2 times base area plus perimeter times height. For the base area, we use the formula is length times width, which is 5.7 times 5.7 cm is equal to 32.49 cm squared, and the perimeter of base is 5.7 cm times by 4 because it has a 4 side, and the answer is 22.8 cm for the perimeter. So we substitute all the answer to the formula, and it's become 2 times 32.49 cm squared plus 22.8 times by 5.7, and it's equal to 194.494 cm squared. For the second question, find the volume of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So the formula of volume for this prism is volume equal to base area times height. In previous question, we find out the base area is 32.49 cm squared and the height is 5.7 cm. We substitute into the formula and we got the answer is 185.193 cm cube. Question 3. Number of mini cube needed to make 4 times 4 Rubik's Cube, which is the side is 7.6 cm. For the first step, we need to find the length of mini cube. 5.7 cm divided by 3 cube is equal to 1.9 cm. Then we find the volume of mini cube. 1.9 times 1.9 times 1.9 is equal to 6.859 cm cube. Then we calculate the volume of 4 times 4 cube. 7.6 times 7.6 times 7.6 is equal to 438.976 cm cube. So when we find the number of mini cube, 438.976 cm cube divided by 6.859 cm cube is equal to 64 mini cube.
In conclusion, the application of geometry in real life are vast and impactful because geometry plays a crucial role in providing solutions to complex problems. On top of that, embracing geometric principles not only help us in solving complex problems, but also contributes to innovation in our modern world.